Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shikaina Joyce Liberan. So, I choose my short film about, my movie is all about echoes. And my character is all about Jessica. So, I am Jessica. So, the room is dim. Jessica sits alone in her bed, holding her phone. Her hands shake slightly. I thought silence meant peace, but lately, silence echoes louder than anything. She puts the phone down. A soft tapping sound is heard. Faint, distant. Whispers, not again. She gets up slowly, walks toward the door listening. The tapping stops. Every night, same sound, same time, as if someone or something is trying to reach me. She takes a deep breath and opens the door, darts in the hallway. Hello? Beat, if someone's there, just say something. Silence. She turns to go back. The tapping starts again, louder. Jessica, freeze! Stop, please. She slowly sneers and presses her ear to the floor. I know it's impossible, but it sounds like it's coming from under me. A sudden thump. Jessica jumps back, scared. Okay. This is crazy. It's just the house setting, just noise. She starts to calm herself, placing a hand on her chest. But why? Does the noise feel like a message? She swans back to her bed. The tapping begins again, but now it forms a rhythm. There's deliberate. Tap, 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 tap. Jessica eyes widen. Whispering, that's a pattern. She's grabbed a notebook and scribbles the coding. But Jessica said, Morse code. My dad taught me when I was little. She looks at the notebook. Her breath catches. Jessica said, reads aloud, trembling. You are not alone. Jessica said, maybe echoes meant to scare us. Maybe they remind us someone is still with us. Jessica slowly smiles, thought the tears. That's my film about the echoes. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.